Hi and welcome to another product demo from fobfix.com. Today we're showing you our update to our 19 plus transit and transit custom programmer, which now supports all key lost, and we're going to be demoing an all key lost situation on this 21 plate transit custom. The van's been loaned to us today by Carl at UK Auto Locks. He provides hook locks, slam locks and security locks for vans, trade vans, that kind of stuff. So if that's what you're needing, catch him up on this website, he'll sort you out. Many thanks to Carl for that one. Right, we've got a couple of keys for this van. The one with all the jangly keys on is obviously the worker, so I'll just unlock there with that one. There we go. And we've also got a cut spare, which currently fits the ignition. We might, I don't think we will get the message about no key. Pop the clutch, we'd probably get that one. We'll need a bit of diesel in here. But that won't start the van. And it obviously doesn't work the locks either. So what we'll do is demo this. We've gone for a dog walk or something, locked the van. Unfortunately, lost the only key that we had working for the van, and it's all locked. So we have to go out, gain access to the vehicle. But this being I call it a low line. This is the most basic model of this custom. It has an alarm, but it's not got a sounding alarm. So if we take the cut unprogrammed key that we've got, unlock the van, so we gain access to the vehicle. Now currently the alarm's active, and if we try to use a standard programmer, it wouldn't program anything. And what we need to do is, it's a bit of a long wait time on this one. I'll shut the door so we're not too windy. What we need to do is take our FobFix programmer. There we go. We'll just check how many keys we've got. So take the unprogrammed one just so we can turn the ignition on. There we go. All the switches down, just to let you know it is the active alarm version. All the switches down. I've pulled the panel off here so we can get to this quite easily. Just let it count the number of keys. A few flicks, and 2 keys currently programmed. And what we'll do is, there we go, pop that back out, and we'll set this into add key mode. And like I say, the entire process of this one usually would only take 60 seconds if we'd unlocked the van with our working key and the alarm was disabled. That would be the easiest option. But because we've lost all keys and we've gained access to the van with the cut blade, but the alarm, if there was a higher level model, the alarm would be sounding. The alarm is active though. So put it into add key mode. And what we'll do is we'll pop that in, get the extra add button, the add flash, and the program will light up purple, which indicates it's in a key wait mode or a security wait mode. And if I start my stopwatch, after approximately 10 minutes, you'll get a double honk from the horn of the van, and the dash will reset as the unit resets it and gathers some data. So we won't bore you with 9.5 minutes of me waffling along. We'll come back to the van just before that's going to happen, and show you what occurs, and then we'll carry on from there. See you in a tick. Right, back in the van after about 9.5 minutes, still on the purple. At some point you'll hear the horn on the van honk, and the dashboard will click a few times as the unit gathers some data from it. Now as soon as it's done that, let's have a see. Are we nearly there? There's the 2 horn honks. Purple light goes off. The unit will start to flicker. Dashboard resets. And it'll gather some more data. And then you see it's gone purple again. That's because the dashboard resets, so it goes back into another 10-minute security wait time. So what I'll do is stop my stopwatch. Put it back on. Start it again. And then we'll pop back after about 9 and a bit more minutes, and we'll just get back to where we would have been if we had the keys. Bear with us, see you in a little while longer. Welcome back for the second time. We're just about there. Unit's still purple, and we're waiting for the double honk of the van's horn. There we go. Now you see the purple went off. It'll now try and log into the van. try and add the key so when we get the long blue beep, cycle the ignition, and with any luck, there we go. Key program successful. 21 minutes all in tow. 3 green beeps to tell us that's programmed. Let's grab the key. Works to unlock the van. And if we pop this back in the ignition, the clutch down, starts the vehicle. Happy days. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.